Hey internet, thought I'd show another useless video of a random item I bought. This is the Origlam 256 color ambience light. Long name, but neat thing to have on your desk. I believe it was around $15 to $20 on Amazon. It is a color changing desk light. This rainbow looking thing in the back is where you control what color the light is. It's powered by USB. Let's go plug it in and try it out. As you can see, touching the rainbow controls in the back changes the color based on where you touch. Touching the left edge of the rainbow controls shuts off the light. Holding that same area will cause the light to slowly cycle through the colors that are available. That's pretty neat. A cool thing about this light is it's battery powered. You can actually remove the USB from the power source and the light still works. Overall, this was a good purchase and is probably a clever gift to give to a moody guy or girl or something. Thanks for watching. I have more dumb, but sometimes useful videos. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, or subscribe, because that's what everyone else asks for at the end of their videos.